Hello. Today we introduce this FRM nitrogen filling machine. And first, make sure the machine connect to the air. This turbo connect to the air, and this bar is 0.3 or 0.2 is enough. And this is lock. Now this is the close, and this up is open. Now close, and this open. Okay. Now this is the temperature meter, and this is for the power switch, and this is for the hot, and this is for the fan, and this is for the filling air switch, and the motor speed, and the conveyor belt speed, and this is for the filling air time, the relay. Okay. Now we power switch, and heater. And heater we can adjust the temperature. This meter, and with setting 200 temperature degrees, and this fan, and this filling air, and this speed. Now here will be faster. Now I adjust this, and the speed will change. Now and the lowest speed, and this is for the filling air time. Now notice. This is a filling noose, and when do the filling air. Now, okay, we use the transparent bag for the test. Now like this. Ready. Now master the nozzle master hook. Okay, now it's still hot. When it cooled, will be tightly. And we use the foil bag. And this foil bag, we check the thickness. And the thickness double layer, 0.18. Okay, now we check how it works. Notice master hook. Okay, now we can add the filling time, and also the big one, the biggest one. Okay. Next we check for guidance how to replace the wheel for print the data, and we also come with the box with the letters, and for the use the winch. Use this winch, and we lose. Now the letters will come out, can change. It will come out, and once the lock, we forward tightly. And push, and the lock. Notice it will be locked, and for replace, take out these covers. Notice this is very hot, and take care of it. And first take out this wheel, and we need to up this screen, not must take out. And this is a push the wheel for the tightly, and use one hand make it up, and forget to lose this screw. We will let's use it again. Okay, now we take out. Okay, and put this wheel again. And put the screws. Okay. Now put the covers. And prepare the screws. Okay, we use this wheel for push, and we test the wheel. Now, here's numbers. Okay, we use the foil bag to test it. Okay, not fill air. Okay, any question can contact us.